Hi, I'm Doug Gazal from American Leather. Today we're going to remove and replace the back on a Cirrus Comfort Air chair. This is the mech that's inside of your chair. There's a back mech which pivots. This is bolted to the frame of your back, and the chair seat is attached to this crossbar. The arms are attached to these pieces. So on the back, to remove it, you're going to be reaching up from the front, and you can see there's a spring clip, just like we use on all of our recliners. You can reach up from the front and turn these a little bit sideways, and then go behind the chair and lift the back off. You have to wiggle it a little bit. It's usually good if you have a helper. So when we remove the back on the real chair, we're going to have a helper. And when you go to put it back on, you have to line them up, clip them on, and then turn your clips back in so they lock into the square hole. Now we're going to remove the back. The easiest way is to have a helper, obviously. So what we're going to do is I'm going to lean the back all the way back so that you can access it, then push the seat down. And underneath here, there's a space where you can reach your arms up and grab those clips that we showed you on the bear mechanism. So he's turning the clips to the side, and then he's going to put some weight in the seat. And then we've removed the back. So this is what the back looks like from the bottom. Here's your mechanism with the spring clips on it up in here. So when we go to reach, we're reaching in this pocket and pulling up the clip with our thumb. When we go to put it back on, it's good to have a helper because they can line up with the bayonets of the mech, which are here. So you can guide it in. And once it's for sure on there, put some weight on the seat. Tip this all the way up forward until it feels like it's sliding. And then a quick, hard movement down. Now, because we've turned the clip sideways, we have to reach back up in the cavity and click them into the locking holes. If you have any questions, please contact Support Services at American Leather.